Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the binary. Yes, it's a binary time, boys and girls. In this puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, February the 10th, 2024, I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. So two puzzles left. The jigsaw Sudoku, that's aka tectonic, and this one, yes, the binary. You are interested in the binary, and this one will be number 7977. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need to wait. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now I'm stuck. Nope. Incorrect. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Here we have 4 O's in this row. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. Still we have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Alright, and now between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. And between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. We solve it again in 4 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.